Hello everyone, I wanted to record a quick video to help you claim your license on the e-license LPI portal. To do so, from this email, you'll go down to the link e-license LPI portal. Once you click on that, that will bring you to the home page. You'll scroll down and click on log in to LPI. This will bring you over to the Ohio IDs page. If you have a current Ohio ID, then you'll put your username and password in the fields. If not, scroll down to create an account. If you don't remember your username or your password, of course, click here so that you can get that. Once you have your credentials, you will place them in the fields and log into Ohio ID. That will bring you to the dashboard. Then you will click Claim License. From here, you will likely not see your license information. If so, you just continue next to get through the process. If not, you will click Next, which will bring you to claim your license. From here, you're going to select Real Estate Professional Licensing and Next. Then it's going to ask for your license number and expiration date. If you do not have your license number and expiration date, open another tab and go to elicense3.com.ohio.gov. Again, that's elicense3.com.ohio.gov. That will bring you to the old e-license center that will soon be disconnected. You will type in your name, and hit submit. You'll find your license, and once you find your license, click on the detail page, which will bring you to your license page. Now what they're looking for is they want your prefix. Mine is BRKP. If you have the short license number with the zeros in front of them, you do not put that in. So for instance, mine would be BRKP.448303. Your expiration date is here. Once you have verified that information, come back to claim your license, and you will type in BRKP.448303. Putting in the expiration date, it's best to use the menu that they've provided so that it's in the correct format. So I will go to August 15th. Once you have that in there, you will click Next. Then your credentials will show here. Mine is not showing because I've already claimed my ID. Once your credentials show here, there will also be a checkbox. You will select the checkbox to claim your license, and then you'll select Next again. From there, you will just follow the prompts until it tells you to finish. I cannot continue to go that far because my license has already been claimed. But I hope this is helpful, and be sure to take these actions as the old e-license will be going away soon. Thank you.